Welcome to the Southwest Suburban Web Radio Network's Business Vistas program, showcasing retail and commercial businesses of interest to the Southwest Suburban area. I'm your host, Bill Chenault. Today we're featuring a company that can create unique custom clothing online. Customers utilizing their website can use one of many available templates or upload their own image or photograph. The name of the company is Inked Apparel. Won't you please welcome to our program Inked Apparel's Miss Ashley Fernio.
Thanks, Bill. I am so excited to be on your show today.
Ashley, what is Inked Apparel and what are your professional responsibilities at the company?
Inked Apparel is a full-service custom apparel company, and we are very dedicated to making your order process fast, easy, and affordable when it comes to going online and designing your own custom apparel. So at the company, I have a professional background of doing the sales and customer service here, but most recently I've actually been working on the building and launching of our new website, inkedapparel.com, which is what we're talking about today, where anyone can log on and design apparel.
How long have you been with the company?
I've been with the company about 5 years now.
How did the name of the company come about?
The idea of Inked Apparel, most people when they hear the word ink, they think of a marking of some type. So being in the decoration industry that we've been in for so long, the word inked, it quickly developed a much deeper meaning for us. So when we refer to inked on our end, we're referring to all of the different decoration techniques that we're able to do. So many people just don't have a very good understanding of all the different things you can do out there and ink onto a garment. So this is where Inked Apparel really stands out in the marketplace today, because instead of only offering one service, we offer a variety of services such as our, standard screen printing, our high-def screen printing. We do special effect printing here, very high-definition prints. We offer technology for direct-to-garment printing, laser etching into garments, embroidery, and applique sewing services. So on top of all the different, high-quality decoration offerings, we also have very many unique garment choices as well.
It would be my guess that many companies could benefit from the promotional aspect of having apparel that's customized, maybe with their logo or their company name.
Definitely, especially, anything that has to do with the self-promo or possibly, just doing something personally for themselves.
Your product line is basically apparel. How do you select the quality and offering of your apparel?
We feel right now that we have a very robust product offering on our website to where basically anyone should be able to go on there and find a garment that really appeals to them. We've been partnering with some of the largest and most well-reputable brands out there, just to name a few. We have got Nike, American Apparel, Canvas, Bella, Champion, and many, many more. So these garment wholesalers, they actually educate us on, this is what's hot right now. This is what's selling well. They teach us the different benefits of the garment. We've also been in this industry, over 25 years printing and embroidering on these garments that we've developed a really great understanding on our end as well as to what works well and what doesn't work well with the decoration. We also have a line online that's exclusively made in the USA, so all of those garments have been manufactured here in the States, which is a great offering for anyone who's interested in that. And then we have 8 main categories online basically to choose from when it comes to our products. And this really helps with easy navigation when you're on the site. So you can log in and browse all the different variety of garment styles and colors. That way you can see what you potentially would want to ink.
That's quite a bit of application of technology. It sounds like your people are pretty busy most of the time.
Yeah, we do a ton of teamwork here, definitely, especially between the sewing services and the screen printing.
You mentioned embroidery. Can you expound on the capabilities of your sewing services?
Sure. Yeah, we do offer embroidery here, and anyone who's not familiar, just really quick, basically embroidery is more of a classic technique where these designs and logos are sewn onto garments using multi-head embroidery equipment, and we have just found that in this industry right now, there's a major lack of online companies offering embroidery. So some of our biggest competitors out there right now who are offering embroidery are not doing a good job of making it accessible online. So since we're already experts in the embroidery field, we felt it was really important garment to, make this very easily accessible to our customer base through our website. About 20 years ago, any business you walked into, most all employees or customers, you're just in business casual clothing. Now, when you walk into any business, potentially the entire staff is in some kind of matching branded apparel. So there's definitely a huge spot in the marketplace for this, and embroidery is extremely popular and ever growing.
I know when I was in the cell phone store recently, it seemed like all the employees in there were logo branded or trademarked.
Yeah.
I've seen that a lot, like in places like Best Buy and car dealers.
Even in like mom and pop shops now, you'll see that they have matching screen print apparel. So all across the board, people are wearing this branded apparel.
The big buzzword today seems to be high def. I noticed on your website that you also offer high def. I just bought a high def TV and I can't even figure out how to work it. So maybe you can explain to our listeners what high definition apparel printing is.
Sure. So the high-def screen printing, the best way for me to explain it to you is basically it's taking, photorealistic designs or images and printing them onto garments. So not a lot of people can do this and do this well. So these designs on our end, we print with what's called a 4-color process, and we print it at 120 lines per inch. So what that means to you is clarity. So the closer those lines per inch, the better image that you're going to get. And in the end, our customers are, they're always shocked at how eye-popping. It looks so realistic when we're done printing it. It just really, really amazes people. No one in the industry right now can come anywhere close to our high-def screen printing. So, and I should mention this does work better for higher quantity orders as well. But, if you're looking to put an image of, a family member and their face on a shirt, or maybe you have a pet that you really want to put on a shirt, this is a really great process for you. So
this is like screen printing, only 100 times better.
Yes, so it's actually done through screen printing, but it's a very special process that we do on the actual screen printer press to come up with this very clear image.
Back in the day, people actually went to printing companies to get their design work done, but nowadays it seems like everyone has their own creative capability on a computer.
Yeah, I definitely think that consumers have become much more design savvy over the years, and I think that, technology has played a pretty big part in this. At the end of the day, I think all of us want to feel that we're a little bit creative in some way, and going onto these sites like ours with this technology, it can actually be a lot of fun to use all these different tools and create something and say, wow, I made that myself here online. You might not have a big art background, or you might have a big art background and you just need these resources. So, years ago, you couldn't even log on to a website and have these easy resources given to you that really aid in the development of creating this apparel. So we're hoping that by having this, technology advanced process on our site, that it's going to really attract people that are looking to design things with ease at their own convenience. However, we do realize that not everyone is as, technology savvy or design savvy. So we're definitely set up on our end to further assist those people that have trouble with the web.
You must employ a staff of designers and artists to assist those who may be creatively challenged.
Yeah, you're correct. So we've actually got a full staff of in-house, extremely experienced artists who can assist our customers with any art-related questions or needs that they might have. So when a customer actually logs onto our site, they're going to have a couple options when it comes to how to proceed with designing their apparel. So first, they'd be able to, start creating in our easy-to-use design studio. So within this design studio, the customer can actually customize their own text and fonts. They can upload in artwork that they might have saved to their computer off of the web. They can use our loaded clip art or design ideas that are there for them to use for their designs. And then they can also select from a very wide variety of colors and thread colors to kind of finalize their design. Now, another cool feature is once you're done actually designing in the studio, you can save that image down and then share it with your friends and family on social media before you even place the order to see if maybe there's some other people that would like to order the shirt that you designed. So then the second option would be using our custom template. So we've got custom templates where you can log on and you can pick an idea that you might say, hey, I really like the way that looks, but I want to drop in my business name. So you just fill out a quick little note to us. Our designers then make that change, and then we brand it into, whatever you told us to. So this gives our customers basically the option of taking their designs to the next level by using our templates tool.
Ashley, it seems to me like you're a real driving force behind Inked Apparel. You have a lot of enthusiasm and you're well-spoken. I'll bet this really has been a labor of love for you.
It really has.
A lot of hard work involved in that.
Yeah.
As a person at the forefront of the company, what are the key benefits of customers working with Inked Apparel?
I feel that the key benefits to working with us are obviously our stress-free design options, the quality apparel that we are putting out there, the fact that we are factory direct, so we have very competitive pricing, and then we are actually offering free ground shipping on every order.
Let our listeners know what your website and Facebook site addresses are.
Sure. Our website address is going to be Inked Apparel, and remember that's spelled INKD, apparel.com. And then our Facebook is going to be, facebook.com, and then you're going to do /ThinkInked. Again, INKD.
Inked Apparel has the tools and resources you'll need to produce any custom apparel project of any quantity. It's a great option for anyone looking for customized clothing, including local businesses, high schools, the college, bars, and restaurants. And remember, their graphic artists are also available to help you build any custom apparel project. Ashley, it's been great having you on Business Vistas today on the Southwest Suburban Web Radio Network. We wish you and Inked Apparel all the best in your future endeavors. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you so much, Bill. We really appreciate you guys having us on here today. It's been a great time.